sum
n minus 2
number
yes,
minus 2 multiply
sum
the
of measure interior angles in a polygon. I didn't say regular, right? In a polygon. And we took a rule. Which rule? N
n minus
n
2
minus 2 equal n minus 2 multiply 180.
multiply 180. Very good. And we said, what's n donate for? N is what?
number of angles
Number of sides. Number
sides
of sides, right? And what's n minus 2?
number of triangles.
Number of triangle. Number of triangles. تمام؟ طيب. If we have a question, calculate. Please, I want everyone to work with me in this question. Calculate the sum of measure interior angles in heptagon. Calculate the sum of measures interior angles in heptagon. What is the sum it will be? The sum of measure interior angle in heptagon. It will be what? Who will answer? Heptagon.
7 minus 2
Yes. So it will be
6 minus 2 equal 4.
لا heptagon how many sides يا كريم؟ hepta
7 minus 2 equal 5 multiply
7 minus 2
ماشي.
times 108.
100.
Yes, and we said we have to memorize the name, and each name equal how many sides?
900 degree, miss. 900 degree.
Yes, so the answer, it will be equal 900 degree. Then to calculate the sum of measure angle in any polygon, we have to calculate n minus 2 times 180. And we said n means the number of sides, and then we will replace only the number of sides with n, and then minus 2 times 180. We have found the number of sides first, right?
360 and open brackets.
Okay, so let me explain with you. The number of sides in this question equal how many? Equal 4, right? Then we want to calculate the sum. If we want to calculate the sum, then we will replace, right? n by how many, grade 7? We will replace n by how many? n equal how many in this question? n equal 4. So it will be 4 minus 2 times 180. It will be equal how many? 360, right? So this is how we will calculate at the beginning, how we will find the measure of the all interior angles together. Then n equal 4, so the sum equal 4 minus 2 times 180. After that, we want to calculate the missing angle. Then we will come in this space, and the answer, it will be equal 360. Right? So the measure of all angles here, it will be 360. Yes, Ruqayya. Now we want to find the value of x. How we will find the value of x, ya Ruqayya? How we will
380
360 minus, and then we will ask a parenthesis
between two brackets 80 plus 120
80 plus 120, yes,
plus 60.
plus 60.
It will
Very
be
good.
120.
So the answer, it will be 120. Thank you, Ya Ruqayya. Thank you so much. Okay, then first of all, to find the missing angle for any polygon, first we have to calculate the sum. Second, we will subtract the sum minus the angles which already in the polygon. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Who will answer?
Miss, can I answer it?
Huh? Question number
Can I
2.
answer?
يلا يا ها. Okay, يعني with all my respect to you, يا جاسر, I want to give a chance to someone else. Thank you. Your participation today is amazing. Huh? Who else? Who else will answer? Adam, فاحنا فين؟ Adam. Adam.
Medium sphere.
Yes. Huh? How many sides do you have in this figure? What you have to do
5.
first? Huh? First, count the sides يا Adam. يلا حبيبي. Huh? How many sides do you have? In this figure, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then n here equal how many? Equal 5. How you will find the sum here? How you will find the sum? You know the rule? You know the rule?
The sum.
It will be, you will remove n and put instead of it 5. Then it will be 5 minus 2 times 180. So the answer, it will be equal 540. Then the total number here is 540. Now we want to find the value of x. So the value of x equal what, ya Adam?
It should be 105.
Wait, but give me the way. How we can find the missing angle? It will be 540 minus, and then open a parentheses and put all the angles. 103 plus
120.
120 plus
90.
90
122.
plus 122. Exactly. So the answer, it will be equal. Did you calculate it? 505 minus
Yes.
103 plus 120 plus 90 plus 122. So the answer, it will be equal 105. Okay, then to solve any missing angle in any polygon, we have first to determine the number of sides and then calculate the sum and then calculate the missing angle. Okay, Ahmed Saber. Ahmed Saber. Ahmed Saber.
Yes, miss.
يلا حبيبي. Next question. First, what we have to do? What we have to do first? To find what?
We must find the sum of all the sum of the angle.
Okay, before you will find the sum of all angles, you have to count, right? Then how many sides do you have in this figure? Yalla, start to count with me. 1,
7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, agree with me? Let's count again. 1,
Yes.
1,
There's
2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So the number of sides is 7. Now, we want to calculate the sum. So the number of sides equals 7. Then the sum, it will be what, ya Ahmed? Equal. We will remove n and put instead of it 7. So it will be 7 minus 2 times 108. 7 minus 2, it will be 5 times 180. It will be how many, Ahmed?
5 times 180
equal 900. Okay, after that we want to find the value of x. How we will find the value of x? How we will find the value of x now? The total number of all angles equal how many?
We add all the.
Okay, the total number of all
Yes,
the polygons was 900 مش كده؟ We will put the total number
Yes.
minus and then collect all the angles in front of you now. 140 plus 128 plus 114 plus 130 plus 138 plus 108. I'm correct?
Yes.
Did I miss any angle?
No.
Then we will close the parentheses and then we will write equal. What is the answer now? It will be 140 plus 128 plus 114 plus 130 plus 138.
I am writing the numbers.
Okay, so the answer it will be
No, I am writing the numbers down on my calculator.
okay. You want me to help you? It will be 142. Okay? So for question number 3, first we will, thank you, ya Ahmed. We will determine the number of sides. After that, you will substitute the number of n by the number of sides. Then we will calculate the sum of all. After that, you will find the measure of the missing n. Understood? Who will answer the next question? Question number 4. Who will answer it?
Me.
Raise your hand if you know the answer, please.
Raise
Raise
Can I answer?
your hand if you know the answer. Tala, okay. Tala. Question number 4. First, what we have to do, ya Tala?
We have to count the sides of the.
Very good. So first, we have to count. How many sides do we have in this question? 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. You are correct. Okay, so we have 6 sides. So n equal 6. So how we will find the sum? It will be equal
6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 times 180, right? It will be how many, Atala?
180.
Okay, it will be how many?
Yes. It will be
720, exactly. Okay, now we want to find the value of x. How we will find the value of x? What is the total number? The total number was 720 minus and then open a parenthesis. Tell me the numbers. 120 plus 103,
120 and
110,
133,
148,
110,
98,
148,
right?
98. Yes.
Then we will close and then we will find the final answer. It will be how many? How many, Yatala?
I'm calculating the answer.
Okay, anyone calculated? it will be 111. It will be what? 111.
100.
Right? Right, Yatala? It's very good. Then we said
That have closed.
regular polygon means, did you remember we said with the word regular polygon we have to remember all and all, right? Once you have regular, then you have to note that all what? All sides are equal in length. And what is the second all? All angles
Angles are
equal. Yes, in
equal
a measure.
in degree.
In measure, right? Then if you are talking about length, then it will be equal, sides, then sides, it will come with the word length. Angles, it will be with measure. Okay, so if you have a question, find the measure of each angle in a regular pentagon. Find the measure of each interior angle in a regular pentagon. So the answer, it will be equal how many? Huh? Did you remember to find the measure of each angle? Which formula? Which formula of each interior angle? It will be n minus 2 times 180, okay, over n. N minus 2 times 180 over n. And what's n? N is what, grade 7? N is what? N is what? Hello, you can hear me? Hello? Then all